Hello students, I am Dr. Chavi Saxena of Arya College of Engineering and IT Jaipur from Computer Science Department. Dear students, as we discuss about functions in our function part 1 video, now we discuss on the types of user defined functions. There are 4 types of functions. Functions with no arguments and no return type. Second, functions with no arguments and a return type. Third, functions with arguments and no return type. Fourth, functions with arguments and a return value. We will discuss all 4 types of functions with their syntax and example of each type. Now, the first one. Here is a syntax for the function with no arguments and no return type. This is the simplest form. Here we declare a function name, function call, and then define a function. It doesn't have any arguments and its return type is also void. Let us consider the example for this type. Here we declare a function greatNum and it has a return type of void and it does not have any arguments. In the main function, we call the function greatNum. When we call a function greatNum, the compiler moves to the function definition. Here you can see the function definition void greatNum. Here the whole process of the greatest number to find is written. We declare the two variables, local variables for the function int I and j. We take the two values from the user. We scan the values I and j. If I is greater than j, printf I is greater, else printf j is greater. Now, functions with no arguments and a return value. Second type. Here, function has no argument, so in the bracket func we put void and has a return type, so we type int. The function returns an integer type value. And in the main function we call the function r is equal to function. And when the function is called, the compiler moves to the definition of the function and then it returns the expression that is assigned to the variable r. This concept we learn through the example. Here is an example to find the greatest number. Again we declare a function. It has a return type int. Result is equal to greatNum. In main we call the function. The result get the value from the function greatNum. When the compiler execute this statement result is equal to greatNum, the control moves to here where the function definition is written. Here we calculate the greatest of the two number and return the value to the result variable in the main function. Now here is an example for the third type, function with arguments and no return value. It has arguments but it does not return any value, so return type of a function is void func, or it has arguments, so we write int x. In the main function we pass a value a to the function int x. Let us consider an example. Here we declare a function greatNum int a and b. Two arguments are there but it does not return any value, so there is a void. We take a value of I and j in the main function from the user and the I and j value is passed to the function greatNum. The value of I and j are stored in x and y variables of the function definition. Now the calculation is made. If x is greater than y, there means x is equal to I and y is equal to j. If x is greater than y, greatest number is x, else y is greatest. So here is the output, and the function does not return any value, so the return type of a function is void. Now the fourth type, function with arguments and a return value. Here you can see that in the function declaration part of int is a return type, func function name with int x is a argument. This is an syntax for the fourth type with arguments and with the return value. Here is an example. GreatNum is a function, and at the declaration time we write arguments also, int a, int b, and the int is the return type also. I, j and result are the variables in the main function. We take the value of I and j from the user, and I and j values are passed to the function GreatNum. See, GreatNum int x, int y, that I and j values are here in the function definition x and y. Comparison is made. If x is greater, return x. The x value is passed through to the main function in the variable result, and if the y is greater, then the y value is returned to the main function variable result, and then we display the greatest value by using the printf statement. Thank you, students.